The onset of southwest monsoon, the government is expecting sowing operations to gain momentum that will lead to higher production this year after two successive droughts. After a delay of almost 7 days, southwest monsoon finally hit Kerala. Met Department has projected an above normal rainfall this year. India's food grains production stood at around 252 million tons during the 2015-16 and 2014-15 crop years. That's from July to June. Central government, in fact, has constructed a large number of water harvesting structures for storage of water, and the above normal monsoon would fill these reservoirs that will be helpful for the farmers. Meanwhile, heat wave continued in many parts of the North India, including Rajasthan, with Bikaner recording the highest temperature above 47 degrees Celsius.
It's a news that's going to bring relief to everyone in the country. The Met Department has said the southwest monsoon has hit Kerala and Lakshadweep. Several parts of the state have been receiving heavy rain since Tuesday night.
If you see the clouds, there are a lot of clouds over the Arabian Sea, and our criteria, our conditions, all the limits are completely, you can say, met today, and therefore IMD has declared the onset of monsoon over Kerala.
The Met Department had predicted that the monsoon will hit Kerala around June the 7th, a delay of around 6 days from its normal onset, that's 1st of June. Last week, the Met Department, in the second stage of monsoon forecast, retained the above normal forecast for the 2016 southwest monsoon at 106% of the long period average.
मानसून की बारिश इस साल बहुत अच्छी होने वाली है। देश के ज़्यादातर हिस्सों में उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी अच्छा होने वाला है। जुलाई अगस्त में बारिश अच्छी होने वाली है। नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया, सेंट्रल इंडिया, पेनिनसुलर इंडिया, यहाँ के जितने भी राज्य हैं उनमें संभावना है कि बहुत अच्छी बारिश होगी।
The seasonal rainfall is likely to be 108% of the long period average over northwest India, 113% of the long period average over South Peninsula and Central India, and 94% of the long period average over Northeast India. A bumper monsoon is likely to give boost to the economy in this financial year. The Indian economy grew by 7.6% in financial year 15-16, and with above normal forecast, this figure could easily rise above 8%. Finally, monsoon has arrived in the country just a day later than the forecast of the IMD. And the good news is that the monsoon this time around is expected to be above normal. And this will of course bring smile to everyone's faces, from the farmers to the policymakers. With camera person Mohammad Fazil, Siddhant Subal, DD News, New Delhi.